Good morning. We're here in lovely Lebanon, Tennessee, and we're working for the Ronin factory bullet antenna. The name of today's project is Bubba Wants to Belong.
Too, Mark.
Lord, son, does your mama button your shirts for you too?
Lord, did your mama dress you this morning? Lord, does your mama dress you for work too?
Bullet antenna from Ronin factory.
The bullet antenna.
Mark.
Oh, come on, man. Ditch this wimpy, flimsy wing stock antenna.
Ditch this wimpy, flimsy ween sock antenna. Ditch this. Come on, man. Ditch this flimsy, wimpy. I gotta do this again.
Mark. Can we unfreeze yet? Can we unfreeze yet? Can we unfreeze yet? Can we unfreeze yet? Mark.
And screw in a precision manufactured 50 caliber bullet that could put a hole in a North Korean tank.
And screw in a precision machine 50 caliber bullet that can put a hole through a North Korean tank. And screw in a precision machine.
Mark.
Bullet antenna easily screws into place. Bullet antenna screws into place. Screws easily into place. The bullet antenna screws in easily. The bullet antenna screws easily screws into.
Mark.
Thank you. I feel like I should give you a hug. I mean, this is insane. Thank you. I feel so welcome. You guys have a presence about you.
Yeah, just unbutton that top button, would you please?
All right. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Can I do this?
No, you can't.
But they're doing it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have prepared something to say.
No, this is not the Academy Awards.
Okay.
All right.
Should I prepare something or should I?
Well, you got a chicken salad sandwich you want to share with the gang?
Mark.
Is that crazy?
Roy, right?
Yeah.
I heard you took care of your flimsy antenna. Hi, Roy,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Hi. I've been hearing some great things about your antenna. I could see your antenna from all the way across the window. I saw your antenna and it looked like it could pick up more than a signal. I heard you have a perfect antenna. I know what they say about guys with bullet antennas. I came to find out if it was true.
I could show you.
Yeah.
Well, don't just stand there, Roy. Show her your bullet.